In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record payroll in QuickBooks online. By the end, you'll know how to enter a payroll expense so your books show exactly what was paid out, even if you're processing payroll outside of QuickBooks. Start by signing in to QuickBooks online and heading to the expenses area. From there, open a new expense. You'll be looking at a form where you can tell QuickBooks who you paid, how you paid them, and which accounts should be affected. Choose the payee first. This can be the individual employee you're recording the payment for or a payroll clearing payee you use to track payroll disbursements. Picking the right payee helps with reporting and makes it easier to search for past transactions later. Next, select the payment account. In this example, we'll choose cash, but you should pick the actual account funds came from, like your operating checking account or a payroll bank account. Double check the transaction date so it reflects the period when the money left your account. Accurate dating keeps your cash flow and reports aligned. Now move to the category details section. Click into the category field and start typing to search. Select payroll expenses. This directs the cost to your payroll expense account on the profit and loss where it belongs. If your chart of accounts has multiple payroll-related options, pick the one you consistently use for gross wages or the specific payroll component you're recording. Consistency matters for clean reports. Enter the total amount paid. You can use the description or memo area to add context like payroll for week ending, date, or a note about the pay cycle. Clear memos make month-end reviews and audits faster. If you need to make an identical or nearly identical entry, for example, you're entering several similar payroll expenses, use the copy option. This duplicates the expense so you only adjust what's different, saving you time and reducing the chance of data entry errors. When everything looks correct, the payee, payment account, category, amount, date, and memo, finish by selecting Save and Close. QuickBooks will post the expense and update your financials immediately. A couple of helpful tips as you do this. Make sure you're not duplicating expenses if you also run payroll through QuickBooks Online Payroll, since that service posts its own entries. If you manage payroll through a separate provider, this manual expense keeps your books accurate without needing a full journal entry. And always keep your chart of accounts tidy so payroll expenses remain easy to find. That's it. You've recorded payroll in QuickBooks Online quickly, accurately, and in a way that keeps your reports clean.